Hello, I'm Val, and this is Uptown Swing, more solo Charleston. We did a little bit of 20s Charleston in the beginning of the class, which specifically we did cowtails. It all comes back to this, and then you just prop it, and then you let it go all the way around. Yeah? You can do it multiple times. We specifically did it this side, step, this side, step, this side, step. Then we did this figure 8 situation. Hey, ha, ha. You do big kick, and I do it from here. So it's not just lifting my leg like this. I kind of swing it from my corner, and then you let it go into the cowtail. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cowtail, cowtail, and a break. Ha, ha, ha. Then we switched gears, and we moved on to some kicks. We did practice with hops, pa, 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 do, pa. Do quadruples, do 8 counts, do singles, do all these different things. And we did single kicks, double kicks, quadruple kicks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did different options with that. You could do double kicks as if it's a hand-to-hand Charleston. You could do quadruple kicks either in front of you or front and back. We also did practice all of these directional kicks to get there. So you have options there. And then I want to show you a little transition thing. If you loop it, you can either do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then you switch to different side. If you kick step, you stay on the same side. And that's what we did.